Hi everyone, and welcome to the Imperial Wealth YouTube channel. My name's Nat, and in this video we're going to be having a look at all things Arbitrum. We're going to have a look at what Arbitrum is and what you can do with it. We're also going to have a look at the current airdrop and show you how to check if you are eligible to claim the airdrop. And we're also going to have a look at a couple of articles which give us some more information about possible future price predictions and the future of the project. If you want to have a look at that, stick around and we'll show you right now. So first of all, what is Arbitrum exactly? And I was trying to come up with a good definition, but I actually asked ChatGPT and it came up with something better than I could come up with. So according to ChatGPT 4, which just came out this week, Arbitrum is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, designed to improve the network scalability and reduce transaction costs. Yep, that's basically what all layer 2s are designed to do on the Ethereum network. So the second paragraph just basically says what the first paragraph says, but the last one's interesting because it says Arbitrum is gaining in popularity among developers due to its fast transaction times, low fees, and ability to support smart contracts. It is one of several layer 2 scaling solutions being developed for Ethereum as the network seeks to address the issue of high gas fees and slow transaction processing times. So if you've ever used the Ethereum network over the years, through a hot wallet such as MetaMask or some of the other ones, MetaMask is the main one, you'll know that the fees can be very high. The transactions can take a very long time. So Arbitrum is one of the layer 2s. I have been messing around a little bit with the Arbitrum network and I can confirm that the transaction times are very fast and they're quite cheap. So all of the big news in the crypto world this week is that Arbitrum actually launched their own token, the ARB token. So let's have a quick look on the coin market cap, or let's look at CoinGecko, which is my favorite one. We can see that if we go to the search, the Arbitrum, of course, is trending because everybody got their tokens. And what are they doing? They're selling it to get money because everyone wants money at the moment. They want money they want their free money so they can go and pay their rent, or they can use it to buy other cryptos, or mainly just lock it into Bitcoin if you're a Bitcoin maxi. So we can see that there was a very sharp spike. This is in US dollars, up to about the $8 mark. I heard that it did trade as high as $14 US on some of the centralized exchanges like KuCoin. But it very quickly dumped, of course, because there's an intense selling pressure. If everybody got their free money, they're selling. It's currently about $1.39. If you have been using the Arbitrum network at all, you can see whether you are eligible for the airdrop. Now, a word of caution, there are a lot of scams going around at the moment, especially on Twitter. I've seen a few Arbitrum airdrop scams come up on Twitter where they're basically getting you to try to click a link that is not the official link, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then their contract will drain your wallet of its funds. So if you always want to be safe, to make sure you are visiting the official social media or the official website of any project, go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. These are the two main websites that have a list of all the cryptocurrencies. You can go to, you can search for the project under the search bar, Arbitrum. This will have the official contract there on the various networks, so the Ethereum network and the Arbitrum network contract. And it will also have their official social medias. So I usually go to their Twitter, and then, so here's the Arbitrum Foundation, and you can find their pinned tweet or just whatever their website is listed under their official Twitter. So that's the one there, arbitrum.foundation. Basically what you do is you click here on Connect Wallet, and whatever wallet you've been using, it's probably going to be MetaMask, but there is also Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, Ledger, whatever wallet you have been using, and then it will make sure that you switch to the Arbitrum network, and it will tell you whether you got the airdrop, whether you were eligible or not, and you had to meet a number of conditions a certain amount of interactions with the network. I think there's 6 different conditions. This is listed here on an article from CoinMarketCap. So here they are. You need to have bridged to Arbitrum, done a certain amount of number of transactions over time, transaction frequency and interaction. So if you had ticks on 3 of these 6, you are eligible for the airdrop. And depending on the volume and the value and a few other factors, you can get anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 Arbitrum per wallet. So at the current price of $1.39 US, that is a very valuable airdrop. So I guess if you did get the airdrop, or if you're considering buying some Arbitrum tokens now that the price has leveled out after the initial sell-off, there's always a question, should you hold on to the tokens and wait for a higher price? Should you dump them today? Or is now a good time to be buying? I've got a nice little cryptonews.com article here that has a few thoughts on that matter. So basically their thoughts are, given the lack of price history data for the ARB token, it's difficult to forecast its future price based on technical analysis. Absolutely true. It's probably better to watch market trends in the Arbitrum network and the ecosystem, as well as broader cryptocurrency market, to guess where ARB is headed next. Large airdrops like the one just conducted by Arbitrum typically generate lots of hype in the crypto space and help to boost a protocol's adoption. That is true. People will look favorably on a project if it just gives them $10,000 for free. So cryptonews.com definitely thinks ARB could hit $10 again. So at its current price, it's roughly around a $2 billion market cap. So to get up to $10, it would have to be, up around the 17 plus billion, which is not out of question, especially if there's a high uptake on the project. When we look at the main list of the top 20 cryptos, you can see even in a crypto bear market, a successful layer 2 like Polygon has a $10 billion market cap. So considering that we're fairly deep into a bear market in this cryptocurrency cycle, if you did receive the ARB airdrop, it's probably a good idea to hold on to some of it and wait for more favorable market conditions, where if you can, if you're liquid enough to hold on to it, there's a fairly reasonable chance that there might be a 3 to 5x from here on the price. And if you're considering dollar cost averaging in at these current prices, that's probably not such a bad idea. So let's take Solana which is another competitor network to the Arbitrum. When we look at Solana's all-time high for its market cap, we can see at the peak of the last bull run, Solana reached nearly an $80 billion market cap. So if Arbitrum was only able to get halfway to Solana's market cap all-time high in the next cycle, your Arbitrum tokens could be worth $20 US each. So that's something to keep in mind when you're thinking about either dollar cost averaging into the token now or selling your token that you got from the airdrop. So there is some information about the Arbitrum project and the current airdrop that happened this week. Make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have weekly content coming out in the form of educational videos like this, short form content with market updates, and also podcasts. Make sure you do like this video if you found the information valuable. Leave a comment if there's anything in the crypto world you'd like us to cover for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.